Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Translate. First, open Google Translate in your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll see two text boxes. The box on the left is for the text you want to translate, and the box on the right shows the translated result. Next, choose the language you want to translate from. Then select the language you want to translate into. Google Translate supports over 100 languages, making it easy to communicate with people around the world. Now, type or paste your text into the box on the left. As you type, Google Translate will instantly display the translation on the right side. If you'd like to hear how the text is pronounced, simply click the speaker icon. You can listen to both the original text and the translated version. If you need to use the translation somewhere else, simply click the copy button and paste it into your email, message, or document. Google Translate also lets you translate documents, images, and even entire websites with just a few clicks. And that's how easy it is to use Google Translate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.